It is so early. But I absolutely need to clean my apartment, and it's going to be in the 70s today, so I want to go outside. But good morning, everyone. I hope you are having an amazing day, night, whichever time it is. I'm just going to be doing a montage of how I clean up my apartment. Currently like 8 something, like it's really early. The sun is so bright. I'm loving it. I have my windows open because it's gonna be so warm today, and I just need like flowing air. So my laundry is in now. I'm so excited to have clean clothes, but now I'm going to make my bed. And I make my bed every single morning, no matter when I wake up. I have so many smell goods all over my house. I love this Airwick. I wish I could remember which scent it is, but it's a florally one, and it's not too overpowering. Like, you can control how much you want the scent to go. And I have this one over here. I was gifted when I moved into my apartment, and it smells like lemon. I absolutely love it, and it's right next to my trash can because this can get smelly. And then I have this wax warmer, and right now I have this vanilla buttercream wax melt in here. It smells so amazing. So I just put this on, and it has 3 different settings. So it's like 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, and it's warming up currently. So cute these flowers are. I think they're so cute. And I don't have a real vase for it, so I'm using this. But I think I'm gonna go to the thrift store today to pick up a vase, and I'm sure it'll be cheap. But as you can see, my apartment it's not super messy, but it just needs a refresher. Like, I definitely need to vacuum. I need to wipe down surfaces and whatnot. So that's what I'm about to do. And then the kitchen, I need to sweep and mop. So I'm using this carpet powder. It smells absolutely so good. I got this from Walmart, I think for like maybe $3-ish. And I love carpet powder because you spray it all over your house, and it just makes your whole home smell amazing. And it just gets rid of any smells that you do not want. And it even says eliminates, if it would focus, it says eliminates deep down odors. So good. But if you are sensitive to smells, I would be cautious of this. There's some at Dollar Tree that don't have like a super high fragrance, but I like high fragrant things now. I don't use this like every single day because it would give me a headache, but I like if I need to get rid of any smells that I don't want or I haven't vacuumed in a while. So I basically used all of this. My whole living room and then my bedroom. I usually let this sit for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna clean the kitchen while I'm waiting for this to, you know, be fragrant. I clean my kitchen every day, but I don't deep clean it every day. I definitely need to, what is it called? Sweep. don't know why, but every time I wipe down my fridge, it like brown stuff shows up on the paper towel, and I literally don't know why. Like, is it soot from my candles? Like, I literally don't know, but that's wiped down and clean. I have the cooktop cleaner on here sitting. You're supposed to let it sit for 3 minutes, and I think it's been 3 minutes, so I'm going to clean off everything or put everything back where they are because I cleaned down the counters, and then I am going to vacuum, clean my mirrors, and then clean the bathroom. So living room is clean, and I opened up my patio door. I have this fabric spray that I got from Big Lots the other day, and it's just a fresh linen scent, but it's very light. So I'm going to spray that on my couch. It doesn't smell or anything, but just to freshen it up and add to everything. So this is the fabric freshener. It's LA's Totally Awesome fabric freshener in crisp linen. So next I have to clean my bedroom. So I just got ready. I put my outfit on. I'm going to show y'all in a second what I'm wearing. But for fragrance, I am wearing this perfume by Dossier. It is Oriental One. It's a dupe for the YSL Black Opium, and I smelled the YSL Black Opium in Ulta this one time, and it smells exactly the same, but it's way cheaper. I think I paid $45 for 2 perfumes. I'm not sponsored, by the way, but I just really like this perfume. And then for my first layer, just have this body mist. It's Sweet Sunday. It's almond flour and warm vanilla. It smells so good. It's not the vanilla that is like baked goods vanilla. It's so divine. Like, it smells so amazing, and it pairs really well with this perfume from Dossier, and I just absolutely love this combination. So I am going to do a little bit of shopping for necessity and pleasure. Like, I am the type of person, I love treating myself, and it's Valentine's Day on Monday, and I'm not spending Valentine's Day with anyone. It's just gonna be me, so I'm just gonna spoil myself, really. But I don't know if I told y'all, but I am getting Invisalign soon, like this month actually, and I also need to get something to drink. I'm so thirsty. Going to get something to drink and put it in my water bottle, and then I'm going to head out, put my shoes on. I also wanted to go see if I could find a flower vase because I want to get more flowers. So we'll see, but this is my outfit. I'm just wearing this Coach bag that I got when I went to Asheville, and then I'm wearing these Levi jeans, and then this Nike Air shirt. Like, I'm pretty casual. Like, I'm going to drink this V8 Energy Peach Mango drink. I haven't tried this before, but it has 1 serving of veggies and fruit, and it has caffeine in it, but it's steady energy because it comes from teas, like from black and green tea, because those teas have caffeine in them. So I'm just gonna put this in my cup, authentic, and I will be on my way. If I can get this open. I'm always scared to like break my nail with this cup. So I may do that, or I may Instacart like a few groceries. We'll see. I need to put on my shoes and I will be on my way. I'm getting gas because I'm almost at E, and I don't fill up my tank that much because I don't really use my car, so. To get my candles, and I just found 2 of my absolute favorite ones, so I'm going to grab 2 of them. I think this one smells so good, and my candle just went out today. So I left my camera in my car because like I'm going back out, but yeah, I'm back home. I think I'm gonna move my desk like more towards the window because I've realized my lighting is not that good when I'm on video calls with my, you know, for my work, and my skin is like actually not doing well right now, but ignore that, ignore it. So I just came home and you saw me like in Marshall's. I love going in Marshall's. When I was pumping gas, this lady thought I was her friend. Like she like rolled down her window and was like going to the pump, and she was like talking to me, and I was just going along with it because, you know, like I'm kind of friendly, like I'll talk to anyone. And she was like, oh, I thought you were my friend, and I was like, I was just going along with it. And then also when I was like going into a store, some guys were coming out, and this guy was like, you look so good today, and I was like, thank you, like thanks for the compliment, you just boosted me. And I'm not even like dressed like anything, I'm actually sweating, like I need to reapply my deodorant and maybe like freshen up on some perfume. It's not like super warm outside, but it's warm enough where I can put my windows down, which makes me very happy. We finally made it to Trader Joe's. I need like fresh things. I feel like I haven't been eating fresh food. Yeah, maybe that's what you're like. Maybe. I kind of want to try the asparagus saute. That has to be good. On pizza. Do you like carrots? They're so sweet. These are my favorite drinks from Trader Joe's. So I just got home from running errands. I'm actually so happy to be home. Like, oh my god, I never really go out, so when I do, it's like I have to get everything done, and now I'm tired. But my family's coming over in a little bit, so I'm gonna put my groceries away and then eat my Jersey Mike's that I got that I still haven't eaten. So yes. Hi, so it is the next day. After I got home from Trader Joe's, I basically, like, my family came over like right after, so I was hanging out with my mom, my sister, and my niece, and my sister and niece slept over. And we were just playing a board game, watching TV, but I was so tired. I ended up falling asleep at like 8:30, and I felt so bad. I was like, they came over to hang out with me and I fell asleep. But I just dropped them off, and I'm gonna close out this vlog. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some video suggestions that you would like to see down below. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.